Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing LSSC. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a lightning scooter shared company. And basically, I found this Reddit post right here. To summarize this, basically my African mother was told by her Nigerian friend that there's an app called LSSC where you just have fun. You just have to run it about for 4 hours a day, collecting about $67 an average day with no prior knowledge or research to it. My mom immediately believed everything and invested about 2K into this, and she told me it's to help me create a passive income. The the intention is there, but I don't just trust the whole idea of it. I ran the app about 2 weeks total here, and so far made like $600, but I never withdrew anything yet. I already mentioned to my mom that it seems to be a scam, but she already invested so much. I feel obligated to move forward with the app. My question is, what should I do? Any advice would be helpful. I'm really stuck. So basically, this person said, you have not made $600. It's a scam. Full stop. Remove the app if you're smart. You'll then run the fulfill antivirus sweep and change your passwords. Look up LSC on the internet. The first thing it pops up to Google is the BBB reporting on it this year, hope that helps. Yes, it seems to be a Ponzi scheme type. Don't put your money in. And a lot of people are saying that it is a scam, which is basically mostly it is, since putting money in and receiving or doubling or tripling your money within just a few weeks is basically too good to be true. Not even the bank could give you that. So yeah, that is basically it. So please do not invest your money in LSSC. It's a scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.